We're excited to announce BusyBusy's 2022.7 release, which has some wonderful updates, including the ability to customize your desktop sidebar menu, a couple of updates to our photo verification feature, including a new photo verification dashboard card, and additional photo verification report filters. The ability to create time entry templates to increase speed and efficiency when it comes to repeated time card entries, along with the ability to create different types of reports by customizing a daily project report template. And finally, an optional new document section dedicated to housing, sharing, and viewing PDF documents within BusyBusy. You can now customize your desktop side menu to create a workflow that works best for you. Put the sections in alphabetical order if you want. Arrange them in order of what you use most. Simplify your menu by hiding things you never use. Whatever tickles your fancy. Your layout choices won't change anyone else's menu within your company. Only your own menu will be customized. And your preferences are saved, so even if you log out, your customized menu will still be there when you log back in. To customize your menu, click on your profile picture up in the corner. Click on Preferences and click on Customize Menu. Here you can see all the BusyBusy menu selections that are available to you. You can arrange the order by clicking and holding on the two-line stack and dragging it to where you want it to appear. And if you want to hide a section altogether, unclick the box. For example, I use scheduling all the time, so I want it at the top, right under my status. And I no longer need any of the legacy reports, so I'm going to uncheck that box. If I ever want to reset my menu back to the original layout, I can choose the Reset button here to change everything back to the default view. But for now, I'll make my desired changes and hit Apply. You'll notice a new little icon at the top of the menu. This icon will appear if you've hidden any of the menu items and serves as a reminder so you don't forget that those items are available if you decide you want them in the future. One quick thing to note. Customizing your sidebar menu on the web will not affect the menu on mobile. Your mobile menu will remain the same as it always has been. There is a new dashboard card for photo verification. If your company is using photo verification, this card will show you at a glance if you have any failed photo verification matches. By default, this is set to a monthly view, but you can change this by going to the dashboard settings and changing the time frame. You can also choose to turn the photo verification card off if you want, so it doesn't display on your dashboard at all. And like the other dashboard cards, you can change the order of where your photo verification card appears on the dashboard by using the three-line stack. Clicking on the card details takes you to the photo verification report. Here you can find your failed matches by manually scanning for them or using the filter to filter out the failed matches. Previous to this release, the photo verification report was only available as a daily report, but with this update you can now view your photo verification data by pay period, monthly, weekly, daily, or a custom date range. And of course you can filter by photo verification results, and also individual employees. We created this next feature for our office admins who were spending lots of time creating the time entries that contained the same information over and over again. To help streamline the process of repeated time entries, we developed individual time entry templates to help automate the process. These time entry templates can be created by going into any of the time card reports, clicking on the plus icon to create a new time entry, and then clicking on the template menu icon. Here you can load your time entry templates once they have been created. You can see two examples here. I've created a time entry template for my office crew. My office crew consists of a set number of employees who work in the office from 9 to 5. By selecting this template, my office employees, their set hours, and even their hour lunch break is filled out for me, making it so much faster to create time entries for my office crew. To create a new template, click on Manage and click Create in the corner. Name your template. Select the employees, the start and the end time, and any breaks. You can include job costing if you want, or leave it blank. Click Create, and now it will appear in your list of templates. You can delete templates, reorder how they appear in your template list, and edit the templates if you wish. Within the template settings, you can also choose a template as a default. This template will automatically open when you go to create a time entry. You can remove the template default by returning to the settings and hitting the X. A couple of things to know about time entry templates. Time entry templates can only be used and created on our web platform. Also, saved templates will only appear under the account of the person who created them, meaning each employee has their own set of time entry templates to use. With this release, users now have the ability to create and save different daily project report templates. This means you can have a specific daily report for one project and a different daily report for another project, or a different daily report for each of your crews. The other really cool thing about this new template feature is that it allows companies to create and use different types of reports, in addition to a daily project report. With a little bit of creativity, the possibilities are endless. For example, you can use our report template to create a potential job site hazard report that employees can quickly access, fill out, sign, and share back with the office. Or a supervisor can fill out an equipment maintenance and repair request report. Or when extra materials are needed on a project, a supervisor can access and submit a material request report for that project. Another exciting type of report that can be created using a template is a safety briefing sign-off report. Let me show you how to build a template. On the web, go to Daily Project Reports and click on Manage Types. This screen shows you any report templates that have already been created. From this screen, you can edit a pre-created template by clicking on it, or duplicate the template or delete the template by clicking on the three-dot stack next to the template's title. To create a new template, click on the plus icon. By the way, report templates can be created on both the web and on mobile by those who have permission to do so. The process for both is very similar, except on mobile, after opening Daily Project Reports, you'll hit the three-dot stack in the corner and tap on Manage Report Types, and click on the plus icon at the bottom of the page. Give your template a title. Choose the position you want to have access to this template. You can choose to make this template available to everyone, meaning that everyone will be able to access and create a report using this template, or select only a specific position that can use the template. You can also create a template and assign it to no one if you want to make a template but not share it with anyone yet. The position that is selected here will be able to view and create a report from this template, but that does not give them the ability to delete, duplicate, or create new templates. Only those positions who have permission to manage projects will be able to manage the report templates. With my safety briefing report sign-off, I'm going to select supervisors to view and use this template because they'll be the ones giving the safety briefing. You can select a color theme for this template. And since this is a safety briefing sign-off template, I don't need to include the weather, equipment summaries, employee summaries, or any of the other normal daily project report sections. So I'm going to turn off all the sections, except I want to include an employee signature section so that each of my employees can sign that they attended. I can change the text that will appear above the employee signatures by clicking on the gear icon. I also want to create a custom section that has a place for the supervisor to type the topic of the briefing. And click Create. I want to make sure that the report sign-off is enabled at the bottom of the report for my supervisor to use as a sign-off that he is the one that gave the safety briefing. Click Submit, and the safety briefing sign-off template is saved. Now when my supervisor in the field gives his safety briefing, from his mobile device he can open Daily Project Reports, tap on the plus icon, select the project they're on, create a report, and select the safety briefing report template. The supervisor can select the employees that have attended, type in the topic and any notes, preview the report, pass the phone around so that everyone who attended can sign their signature, and hit Submit. Now the safety briefing report is shown under the Daily Project Report. You can filter by type of report, so you can find all your safety briefing reports or any type of report for the day or week or month. Having the ability to create these different types of digital reports is really going to increase company efficiency and organization and decrease liability. It's a very exciting addition to our daily project report feature. With this release, there is also the option to access a document section. Here you can upload PDFs and share them company-wide. This new document feature isn't enabled automatically for everyone, so if you're interested in turning the document feature on, please reach out to us and we can help you with that. With this feature, any PDF document can be uploaded on the web. Upload PDFs of job site plans, permits, zoning certificates, diagrams, building codes, expense report forms, even Safety Toolbox Talks PDFs can be uploaded and accessed with BusyBusy. These documents are viewable on both web and mobile, but you can only upload from the web. When uploading a document, you must designate a title for the document. Then, if you want, you can attach that document to a specific project. You can also include a description of what the document is. You can limit which position can view the document by clicking on the Limit Access box and selecting which position can see the document, and then choosing who else can view the document, meaning only the selected position or the selected position and the lower or higher positions. Click Create, and the PDF document now appears in your document library. From the document library on the web, you can see the title, when it was uploaded, the project it's attached to, a description of the document, who uploaded it, and when it was last edited, and if the access is restricted or not. You can also edit how the document columns appear by clicking on the column icon and making the desired layout changes. Click on a row to view the document, and if you need to download it, delete it, or edit the document details, you can do so by clicking the three dots. If any of the document details are changed, then the date those edits were made will appear in the last edited column. Currently, you can filter your documents by projects and also by access. Uploaded PDFs are stored here in the document library. However, if they are attached to a project, you can also find and access these documents within that project's database. You may be wondering if you can upload a PDF with a fillable form. Yes, you can. Upload a fillable PDF form. Those who have access to it can open it, fill it out, save it, and then email it, text it, or share it with anyone they choose. The fillable PDF is saved only as an empty template document within BusyBusy. Any information within the fillable PDF will need to be shared, saved, or downloaded before closing the document. And there you have it, the new features that are available with our 2022.7 release. We'll be bringing you more wonderful updates in the very near future. Until then, you know what to do. Stay busy.